Hi, this is Insider Style by Wynstan. So talk me through your journey with Wynstan.
Our journey with Wynstan was really easy. We ordered those samples online and then we went in store to have a look at them, have a bit of a consult there. Then they came out to our house, have a look, measure and quote. Then we ended up with these beautiful curtains.
Window finishings can be one of the most complicated choices to make. How did you go about getting it right and making your final selections?
It was early in the design process that we thought about window coverings. We were looking at sizes of windows and doors.
So in doing that, we played with the colour of the sheer, but it is also a linen fabric.
So we thought we'd really like to have a motorised system in this house because it's got the luxury vibe. So the Wynstan motorised blinds we thought were the perfect fit.
It was really important in the master bedroom to make sure that we controlled the amount of light that comes in, but also not come in. So when we were asleep, we want it pitch black, but then during the day, just to be able to control that amount of sunlight that comes in.
So what would your number one tip be for people taking on a reno of their own?
My top tip for people tackling their own reno is that planning is key. So we've got to get all our elements right in the rooms we want to renovate.
I definitely feel like we had to get the electrician and the electrical work done because we knew that we wanted it motorised because we needed to make it kid friendly.